All right, hey guys, we're going to do a quick video where we show you how to create a Zoom meeting in Teams directly. For those of you that want to do your calendar application in Teams using Zoom, this will post to your calendar for your students to see. Please note that this is different than creating a meeting directly in the Zoom app and doing the reoccurring meeting. If you do this inside of Teams using Zoom, you will have to schedule a meeting for every class unless your class repeats on a daily or weekly regular basis. So on our screen here, you see one of my demo classes. In order to do my Zoom link inside of Teams without using my Zoom app, I have to make sure that it is in my apps bar on the bottom. If I click on my apps, you're going to be able to see that I have a lot of different apps here, but I should have Zoom already in my team. So it's already there over there for us. We're going to go back over to my Teams. If you haven't already put Zoom in your Teams page, that would be the first step. After that, once you have it put in correctly, you're going to see the little Zoom app all the way down here at the bottom, the little icon to add. You have to do this in the general channel. So I'm going to click on Zoom. I'm already logged in with my organization's SSO sign-in. So once again, you have to already be logged in to your SSO sign-in. I'm going to click on Zoom, and I'm going to schedule a meeting. And I'm going to schedule a pretend meeting for right now. Let's say I have night class, and I'm going to say 8 p.m. class meeting. And you'll notice here I have today's date, 8 p.m., and I'm going to have it end. You can do the drop down, or you can just type. I'm going to have it end at 8:32 p.m. And I simply can go back and change my time if I want to. Even if it doesn't allow you to save it, sometimes it will default back. If it defaults back, you still can just leave the window open. It's not a problem. Passcode, I would highly recommend putting a passcode on your meeting. It should, if you're logged in with your corporation's SSO, automatically generate one for you. But if you want to, you can put one here as well. And I'm going to hit save. As soon as I hit save, it's going to pop up right here in my general channel. You'll see here that it is published with my meeting ID and my passcode, and then my link. Now, my students can see my link. They also can see my meeting ID and my passcode. When I'm going to go to start my meeting for the students, I'm going to start my meeting in the Zoom app. This should automatically show up now into your Zoom app for you to start. The students will log in here to start your meeting, or your students will be able to go to the left to their calendar icon. And in the calendar icon, they will now see our class meeting in Zoom. So when they start on their class meeting, there's no students in this class, but when they start on their class meeting, you'll see here that they can join the meeting. Okay, so once this is live, the students would be able to join the meeting. I can add required people here. I can add an administrator in that same exact screen. So if you had a class, it would pop up here with a class. If you wanted it to repeat, this would be the button where you would have it click to repeat. You could do every day, you could do daily. If you're on an A and B rotating block, you would have to be very careful about how you schedule these, but you'll be able to see that it will show up in your calendar. So you can definitely take care of that. So this is a brief overview of how to do that. You want to go double check it. You can go back to your team, and it should still be here in your general channel.